Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is March 21st, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's go to these charts and see what we see on the Russell. Maximize this quarterly chart, resize it, and see what we see. We still see this evening star and all on this quarterly chart. We are below the pivot on these yearly pivots. So again, on the Russell, this thing, we got to watch out for a confirmation candle. The good thing here, we did come down to the area where I said that we can't break this area, because if we break this area, then we're going to be end up somewhere down here or somewhere in the middle of this candle over here and all. That hasn't happened. We did pull back above this area, which is a good thing and all. Now the thing is to see, can we get back above, 2210 area, 210 area, see what happens here. But that's what we see right now. Right now, we're kind of on this big picture. We do not want to see this market close below this level right here. We do not want to see this market actually really even testing this area down here again. We want to see this again. That's bullish, people. Again, if you're short the market, yes, you want to see it. You just sell above and you keep selling above and all. Trade based on no trade recommendation, based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, trade accordingly and all. All right, but let's go down here to this monthly chart and see what we see on this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, the Russell last month had got below the 910 moving average, had a close below there. So it's in a bear market. It actually got confirmation of that bear market here this month. It came down to an area where I had these lines. If you've watched my video, you'll see these lines have been on here forever. This is not something that I'm just drawing in here on the last minute. It's based on what I see in the market, and I have my level set. It came down to a level where I said it could bounce, get into this range, and I hope you expect it to bounce out of this area and all, and it did, because if it had broke this area again, you'd have been looking for it to come way down here somewhere. And if you were short the market and all, that would have been your play and your strategy for that. But if you're long in this market, you expecting it to stay above this area. You're expecting this to be a pretty strong level, since the market did consolidate in here a little bit before it shot up and out of here. But with the Russell knows how to drop, so you always got to be careful with the Russell and all when you're trading it and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there and all. On this weekly chart, the thing is with the Russell, it's good enough. This is the 50. The Russell got below the 50 almost a month ago. The Russell was giving you that heads up, this thing is going down and all. And it went down. We had said, I remember I was talking about a kiss here. Don't break this area. If you come down here, you need to break this area. Where it comes down all the way down here to right, as you can see where it came down to, and it bounced here. Right now we have on the Russell, the Russell actually, this is the 50 and this is the 200. And I'll just let you see this again here, 50 and the 200 that I have on here. The Russell came down to the 200 and below the 200, and then it ended up coming back above there. So this is a good sign. Other thing here on the Russell that's a good sign, we got a higher low and a higher high on the Russell. This pattern that we're forming right here on the Russell right now, and even though it's two dojis, it's a bullish engulfing at the right location. The thing is, I would say if I can get a confirmation of this, get me another little higher low and higher high, this thing might be ready to turn back around, and we might have made our monthly low here, and this thing is getting ready to start going back higher. But we have to kind of wait and see with the Russell, because it's got some tough areas to cross, before it's going to really start. Anyway, we probably won't be talking about new all-time highs on the Russell until the end of the year, just like last year, and all. But the Russell trades in a range, and everybody knows it. Even trying to do strategies around the Russell and with the Russell products that are out there, it's kind of hard to even collect any real money on it. But trade based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, no trade recommendation there. It's just that's one of the things that I had noticed and all. I was trying to doing a different strategy on other things. It's just not. A lot of times it's not worth it. I should have checked it during the high volatility. But getting off track here, let's get going. The Russell, we're looking for a confirmation of this bullish engulfing at the right location to see if it actually can give us a higher high and a higher low and a nice body on this next candle heading if it's going to head higher. If it's going to head lower, I would almost play with this weekly low. I wouldn't play with this previous week low. This previous week low might be too low and all. I would play around with this low right here as my, okay, this thing may not be working out that good and all. So again, it's still based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, trade accordingly. Let's go down to this daily chart and see what we see here and wrap this on up. And on this daily chart, what we see here, again, like you said, this might have been our low for the month and our low for the quarter. And we did get this piercing pattern right here, a bullish piercing pattern. We did get confirmation of that piercing pattern. But just like the other indexes, seemed like the market just stalled after it got there. It tried to go a little higher, back on Wednesday. That was the FOMC day and all. But after that, as you can see, we haven't broken that high from Wednesday. We actually ended up making a lower low and lower highs right now. So again, that's what I'm saying with the Russell. If you're going to try to get long on the Russell, just based on your trading plan and your trading strategy, trade accordingly. Things are still not really looking that healthy on the index based on my trading strategy for being long and all. But that's that. And that's all I really want to share. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys have a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.